it's Midnight Raven and today we are doing an unbagging. This is another sticker unbagging and this one is smaller than the last one but still as good. Last time I did 100 food stickers, which I will link down below or in the description, and I show you different stickers. They were food, vegetables and that kind of stuff. Today's one is purple themed stickers, so sounds interesting. Let's give you some information. These are currently on sale on eBay for £3.19 for 50 stickers, and the description was that they were purple stickers for your skateboards, your water bottle, your laptop, just anywhere you want to stick them. There are 50 in total. It's the only colour they do these in, and it's from an eBay seller called Henry Sessions 25. I will try and link his shop in the description, but this is how it came in a little mailer. And here are the stickers. So they came in a little bag. I'm going to get my little thing here so that I can show you them. So obviously purple stickers may not be to everyone, and they are assorted themes. So these are not food or vegetables, or these are just assorted stickers. So let's get into the video. So if you want to see any more of these, I will link my playlist down below. I do buy to resell on eBay, so everything I buy is to resell 99% of the time. So the first sticker we have is a moustache, and obviously these are all purple coloured, or there's purple within them, so you'll see a pattern after a while. Here we have a planet. Now stickers you can use for everything. Put them on a laptop, stick them on your water bottle, have a scrapbook, you stick them literally anywhere. A little mixtape, that's kind of cute. Do you remember mixtapes? Are you old enough to remember mixtapes? Here we have a desert on a kind of sun, on a heart with a little sunset. It's really cute. Next we have some more hearts. And some more hearts. This one says chicken nuggets. I don't make the stickers, I just buy them. Next we have is one of these. It looks like a trampoline, but it also looks like a melting planet. The middle bit looks like a trampoline with a ball, but then if you look at it, it's kind of melting. Next we have this one, which I'm guessing is DNA, hence the and in the middle. Next we have is NASA. Santa Cruz, which I'm guessing is a resort, a holiday place. Next we have a bridge. I have no idea where. I'm guessing it's America. Next we have some sayings. This says, "That's the tea, sis." These stickers are what you call random. Be silly, be honest, be kind. Kind of cute. This one just says, yikes. This one says OPE. No idea. This one says hope, which we could do with right now. And this one's kind of cool. I actually have a t-shirt that says this, good vibes, and it actually says good vibes only on it. This one says, we are the music makers and we are the dreamers of dreams. Anyone tell me what that's from? Comment down below. Do you know where that's from? We are the makers. We are the music makers and we are the maker and we are the dreamer of dreams. Anyone know where that comes from? Because I do. See if you do. This one just says cool. Then we have milk with a flower, maybe for Valentine's. It is coming up. Next we have a couple of drinks. We have a little smoothie. And then we have another one, which have got those little, like, bubble tea beads in them. Anyone had bubble tea? Comment down below. There is a bubble tea bar in Great Yarmouth that I've visited before, but never had anything from it. Next we have a drink cap that says drink, no vitamins, sugar, water, purple. So I'm guessing it's kind of cool. Next we have a donut. And then to contradict ourselves, we have grapes. Because obviously we can't just have healthy stickers, we have to have unhealthy as well. Next we have teaching is my jam, and it's a butter jam. How cool is that? Next we have this ice cream lolly that's melting. As you can see, next we have an aubergine, or if you're rude, a different kind of emoji. We have a purple ice cream, which is kind of cute. We have this one with the animals on a galaxy background. I think they're polar bears. We have an octopus. We have a cat that's really cool. Look at this cat. Look at that. How cool is that background? And I think this is meant to be the Cheshire Cat. And that, if you can see it there, that's meant to be Alice on top of the mushroom. And this is meant to be the Cheshire Cat from Alice in Wonderland. Next we have a lobster. Pretty cool. We have a little kitty paw. We have a butterfly. We have a sandal. Just one, not two. One. Then we have two shoes. We have like some Converse trainers. Like I said, they're all purple themed. We have a football. Have a hair scrunchie. I actually do sell hair scrunchies on my eBay, so if you're looking for some. We have a little beautiful lady that's all kind of purple and faded. We have some tennis rackets. We have a backpack, which is kind of faded. We have a croc. Who wore Crocs? Comment down below. Did you wear Crocs? Because I certainly didn't. Next, we have this cute little cactus. Look at him. Adorable. We have another cute little succulent. I like how they have faces on. I thought the plant would be, when you can look at the plant and it'd be kind of boring, but you put a face on it and I'm drawn to it. Next, we have these beautiful flowers. I don't know what flowers they are. They do look like lotuses. But I'm not a flower expert. Next we have a cloud with some rain. Then we have a different cloud with some rain. Two different types of rain, I'm guessing. We have a beautiful flower. This looks like a chrysanthemum, but I could be wrong. And then the last one is just these some little grass flowers. And that was all 50 of the purple stickers. So I have definitely 100% got more stickers coming. I have bought a ton. I bought 100 music themed ones and rock themed ones. I've bought 4 or 5 now, different lots that I haven't brought to you yet, and I'm still awaiting one to be delivered, which is kind of sentiments. So today's stickers were 50 purple stickers for £3.19, brought to you by me, bought from Henry Sessinge 25. I will try and link his eBay down below so that you can buy them. And I think £3.19 for 50 stickers is kind of cool. If you're a purple fan, then these will be right up your street. But I definitely have more stickers coming. I have at least 3 more videos, 4 or 5 possibly. There is already one up. If you haven't seen my 100 food stickers, there is donuts, tacos, avocados, cupcakes, donuts. There was just an array of food and drinks. I will link that down below as well. If you want to see more from me, you can also give me a big thumbs up. That also helps my channel. You can follow me on Instagram, where I do load pictures of everything I load, and I do load every day on there. Or you can follow me on Twitter as well. And I will see you very soon for another video. Take care and thanks for watching. Bye.